How to invite friends to play together in Zooba. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to team up with your friends in Zooba and invite them in the game. First of all, launch open the Zooba application on your device, and once you're inside this lobby page, you'll see a small plus icon right next to your character. Just tap on that and you can tap on the share invite option. Choose any contact from any social media applications or messaging applications. Just tap on one of the contacts you want to invite. You can also tap on the copy button to copy the link first and share it with anyone via any messaging platform or SMS app or even via email. Once they accepts your invite and joins in, you can then play together in the game. That's how you can invite friends and play together in Zooba. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.